Good evening, everyone. I'm Verona. I'm the team lead of Encyclopedia. Did you know that many students feel lost when it comes to choose their career path? In fact, 70% of students express uncertainty about their future role in the legal field. With everything we learn in the law school being based on theory rather than practice, it creates a significant information gap that leaves aspiring lawyers feel uninformed about their future.
Our project Encyclopedia is designed specifically by law students for law students. We've conducted interviews with junior lawyers across various practice areas, ranging from corporate law, intellectual property, family law, and government law. Through these discussions, we aim to demystify each area of law, providing insights into what day to day life looks like in different roles, the realities of law school, as well as offer valuable career advice to those seeking it. All of these drew a picture of what our future would look like. We recognize that navigating the vast array of legal options can be intimidating, especially for young people. Our goal is to serve as an accessible resource that empowers students to explore these diverse career paths in a digestible way. We encourage students to reach out with their questions via social media, creating a collaborative space for exploration and learning. This year, we successfully recorded a series of interviews with junior lawyers and create a growing repertoire of resources on our platform. These initiatives have significantly enriched our community's understanding of legal careers. You might be wondering, why does this matter? By closing the gap, Encyclopedia equips law students with the knowledge and confidence they need to make informed decisions about their futures. We want students to know that there are various legal pathways available to them, regardless of the challenges that they may be currently facing. With access to real world experiences and advice from practicing lawyers, students can envision their career responsibilities and feel more prepared to enter the legal profession. Together, we are helping students find their place in the legal field.
We're seeking a grant to continue our work into the next year, and what sets us apart is that our program covers most areas of law that are quite diverse. It's a one-stop platform where students can explore insights from young lawyers in different fields. This makes it easier for students to discover various legal paths and make informed career decisions. We also plan in the future to host in-person networking events, allowing students to hear directly from our interviewed lawyers. With your support, we can keep empowering law students, helping them find their place in the legal field and shape their future careers. Thank you.
Congratulations, well done. My question, what's been the most surprising thing I think that you found out in terms of some of these interviews with young lawyers and different career paths? What sort of surprised you, and do you have any anecdotal evidence of anyone that's got into one of these diverse careers as well?
Yeah, so I think for me personally, something that stood out a lot was our family lawyer. Her name is Esther. And I feel like with most lawyers, it's a very common way of entering or stepping their foot into the door, because that's quite a difficult step to do as a law student. And most of them, I find out they use personal connections. So for instance, for Esther, she worked at a bar, and that's how she got her foot in the door. And I think that the most valuable insight from that was that putting your foot in the door doesn't have to be a scary step where you're always pumping out legal applications to law firms. It can also just be through connections in a casual way as well.
And just quickly, obviously, I know a lot of law students aspire that the typical career, I think, is that commercial corporate lawyer in a big two firm.
Yeah.
And where are you finding that you're sort of surveying people that have come through, and are they choosing different pathways? Are you finding that's an impact?
I think that so far, because commercial law is so broad, we've done a good job at, I guess, getting variety of that in. Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah, well done.
Oh, okay, awesome. Yeah.